Are you guys like siblings or brothers
No,
and sisters? Or?
we're dating.
You guys are dating?
We're a couple, yeah.
Oh, you guys are a couple. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry for that.
I'm from. No, you're okay. Yeah, the trains are really packed.
It's really
I
packed.
didn't expect it to be that packed, but it was really packed.
Actually, I'm from Paris, and we do have like a Japanese community in Paris on a street, Rue Sainte-Anne in Paris it's called, and there is a lot of Japanese restaurants there.
Ah, I see.
Hey guys, it's Yumi from English Boot Camp. Welcome to my channel. 皆さんこんにちは。イングリッシュブートキャンプのユミです。英語の発音コーチをしています。こちらのチャンネルでは英語学習に役立つ情報をバシバシ上げておりますので、ぜひね、チャンネル登録をね、していただけると嬉しいです。私のね、プロフィールですけれども、こんな感じになっております。アメリカ英語のね、発音コーチをしておりまして、発音矯正がメインなんですけれどもね、やっぱり学校でね、発音って習わないじゃないですか。私も習った記憶がないです。で、発音を知らないと、音って聞き取れないんですよね。なので、やっぱり日本人ね、英語をやってて、リスニングがこんなに苦手な原因っていうのはね、もう 99% 発音やってないことにあるんですよ。で逆に言うと発音やるとね、嘘みたいに聞き取れるようになります。で、そんな感じのプログラムをね、たくさん提供してます。で、詳細は下の概要欄にね、載せておりますので、興味のある方はね、ぜひ見てみてください。で、発音本もね、出しております。こちらも好評発売中ですのでね、書店またはウェブストアなんかでチェックしていただけると嬉しいです。では、今回も外国人にインタビューしてきております。で、今回もね、使える表現がね、満載です。で、これはまたね、後ほど動画の最後のところで私がね、解説してますのでね、ぜひぜひ最後まで見ていってくださいね。では、早速、行ってみましょう。
Okay, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Shinpei. Could you tell us where you're from and what your name is?
I'm from Arizona. My name is Bella.
You're from
Arizona?
Arizona, I see.
I'm also from Arizona, and my name is Isaiah.
It's
Isaiah.
there.
Yeah.
I see. Where are you guys originally from?
I'm originally from California.
California.
Yes.
I see. And you guys are two?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you guys like siblings or brothers and
No,
sisters? Or?
we're dating.
You guys are dating?
We're a couple, yeah.
Oh, you guys are a couple. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry for that.
I'm from. No, you're okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this your first time to Japan?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So why did you come to Japan? What was your motivation?
I'm actually studying abroad for 3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
and she came to visit me.
Yeah, I came to visit.
Okay. So you're studying Japanese.
No, I'm with the program.
Oh,
So
you're
I'm
with the
going to
program.
college and I'm taking online classes.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
And then you guys you're just visiting here.
Yeah, I'm visiting.
So you're just here for like few days or
I'm here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna be here for like 3 months.
Yeah, I leave March 22nd.
March 22nd. Okay,
Yeah.
so you've been here already like a month and a half.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So how did you like Japan so far?
I like it. I actually love it. It's really
Love it?
nice. It's clean. People are super nice. And yeah, I don't know. I really like it. I enjoy it.
Okay. And what about you?
I enjoy it too a lot. I like it a lot. The people are super nice and friendly. If I feel like if I have a question like in the subway, I could ask someone and they'll help me.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
But I guess like not many people speak English, but do you find it like a little uncomfortable, like inconvenient? Not many people are not being able to speak
I
English.
thought I was, but it not really. Like
Not really?
if somebody doesn't know English, I can just pull out my Google Translate and we can figure it out. So
Okay.
it's not that uncomfortable.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
And you too? I mean,
Yeah,
you have been
I'm with
okay
him. So yeah, he's like doing the Google Translate or talking.
Okay.
So it's not too hard. I thought it was gonna be. It was scary for me to come because it's like a completely different language. And
Yeah,
I
grammatically and
thought- yeah,
all quite
but it's
different.
honestly it's not the hardest.
Okay. So are you guys planning to visit like any cities other than Tokyo?
Yeah, we're actually staying in Kyoto right now.
In the Kyoto? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we're gonna be in Tokyo for 4 days,
4 days.
and then we're gonna go to Osaka after, and then back to Kyoto.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. I guess the Kyoto is completely different from Tokyo.
Yeah.
A lot of temples and
Yeah.
some traditional.
it's a lot cleaner out there, and
So
and
clean.
around 9 p.m., 8 p.m. people are just like people go home, and here people are just out.
Yeah, people are saying that Tokyo is never sleeps. It's a 24 hours kind of a
Yeah.
big cities. sometimes too crowded, and too many people, and trains are like really packed. But yeah,
Yeah, the trains are really packed.
it's really
I
packed.
didn't expect it to be that packed, but it was really packed.
Okay. All right. So, what was actually the most surprising things about Japan? Like maybe especially for you now that you guys, so you're here like for a month and a half. Any kind of shocking or culture shock or good thing that you have
Yeah.
faced?
Not sure. I can't think of anything.
Well, I mean, the languages are really different. So
Yeah.
I think maybe that's one of the things, but the food or
I haven't really felt culture shock, but yeah, the food is definitely different. I miss food that's back home. Like
Okay.
I'm Mexican, so
Oh,
I
you're Mexican. So you
Yeah.
speak Spanish too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm really missing like eating tacos or just my Mexican food, right?
Okay. So
Yeah.
what's your native tongue? Like, is it English or Spanish?
I learned Spanish first, but I would say English is my primary
English
language
is your
now.
primary.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And you too?
Yeah, same with me.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just missing. Honestly, like the biggest thing is missing my food.
Ah,
Missing
okay.
eating food back home.
Right. Yeah. I mean, the food is quite important. And Japanese foods are good, but it's quite different from your original
Yeah.
Yeah.
country's food. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, yeah, thanks so much for your time today, and good luck with your study for the
Yeah,
month
of
and a half. And I hope you enjoy your rest of the
Thank
stay
you.
in Japan.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. My name is Shinpei, and could you tell me, where you're from and what your name is?
Okay, my name is Mark. I'm from France,
You're
Paris.
from France? Paris.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So, is this your first time to Japan?
No, I've been here a few times
A few
already.
times?
Yeah.
Oh, so like how many times have you been here?
I don't know. Maybe I've been here for like 10 times.
10 times.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
But very short times, always for work. So,
Okay. Oh,
yeah.
so some of them are business trips.
Yeah,
Okay.
business
What
trip.
about
Almost business trips, but I'd like to come once to be here, like to visit Japan, like from
Okay.
south to north.
Ah, I see.
Yeah,
So, what was the reason this time? Why
Work.
did you for the work?
work. Yeah, exactly.
Ah, okay.
So it's a short stay, 4
For
days.
Say 4 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you guys? Are you going to place any other place than Tokyo this time, or
No, just Tokyo.
just Tokyo? Okay. So, did you go to any of the good Japanese restaurant, authentic one? Or?
I like to go to small, like eat gyoza and udon soup.
Oh, udon. So yeah, not like the ramen, but more.
So
more like
ramen,
udon.
yeah, ramen and
good.
udon. Yeah,
Okay.
ramen soup. Yeah, you said ramen
ramen.
soup. Yeah, with
Yeah, udon ramen, they're both noodle.
It's the same,
But
yeah.
It's the same, but the type of the noodles are a little bit different.
okay.
Yeah.
But I like this. I don't like sushis. I don't like
Oh, you
too
don't like the
much.
raw fish?
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, I see.
I can eat 1 or 2 sushis, but it's enough for me. So I prefer
Okay.
the soup and other
Ah, I see.
how do you call the pork?
Pork?
Katsudon.
Ah, katsudon.
Yeah,
Ah,
I like that.
I see. So I guess katsudon is not something that you can like ordinarily have in the France, right? It's not the
Well,
common food.
actually, I'm from Paris,
Right.
and we do have like a Japanese community in Paris, and
I
a
see.
street, Rue Sainte-Anne in Paris, it's called, and there is a lot of Japanese restaurants there.
Ah, I see.
So I go there times to times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So are there like a lot of Japanese restaurant in the Paris or?
There are a few of them, yeah, in the street, actually.
Oh, in the
yeah.
street,
Yeah.
Okay. But do
It's
you
called
find it-
Rue Sainte-Anne.
the
Rue Sainte-Anne.
Goose,
Rue
Goose Center.
Sainte-Anne.
Oh.
Sainte-Anne.
Santana.
Sainte-Anne. Anne.
Sainte
Anne is like Anna, but Anne in French.
Ah,
It's
I
a
see,
name.
I see. Ah, it's a name.
Yeah.
Okay. But
And
do
it's
you...
very famous in
It's a
France
famous one.
to go. You have some Japanese restaurants there.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
But do you find it like a little bit different, the restaurant in France and restaurant in Japan?
Well, the ramen and gyoza are similar.
Gyozas. The gyoza. So you like gyoza?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the gyoza, a lot of nice gyoza place here.
Yeah,
Yes, in
yeah,
Tokyo as well.
exactly.
Yes. Okay, so I guess the last question is, what do you do for a living? Like, what's your profession? What's your
I
job?
work in the airline industry.
The
I work in the airline industry.
airline industry.
Yeah,
Ah,
exactly.
like a flight attendant? Or?
Yeah, right, exactly.
Ah,
yeah,
I see.
yeah.
So you've been flying
So I'm
like all
visiting
over
all the world.
world. Ah, I see. So Japan is only one of the places.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, I see. Okay. All right, so thanks so much for your
yeah,
time
you're very
today.
welcome.
And I hope you enjoy. Even though
Okay.
this is a business trip, I hope you enjoy your rest
Merci.
of the trip.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
まずですね、このアメリカから来てるね、男の人の方が留学してるんですよね。で、それで彼女が遊びに来てるっていうね、京都に留学しているというね、人たちですけれどもね、どうですかみたいな日本はみたいに俊平さんが聞いたら、people are super nice とかね、言ってますね。super nice and friendly って言ってます。この super っていうね、super っていうのは、何かにつけて使う強調語です。日本語で言うところのめっちゃって感じです。もう日本人めっちゃいい人っていうね。このめっちゃって言いたいときにこの super つけると、すごくね、英語っぽい、ネイティブっぽい表現になります。very nice っていうよりね、super nice の方がね、会話っぽいですね。で、英語がね、話せる人ってやっぱ日本人少ないので、コミュニケーション苦労するんじゃないですかみたいなね、質問をしてましたけれども、それに対してですね、もう女性の方がね、it's not too hard. I thought it was gonna be っていうふうに言ってますよね。そんなに大変じゃない。大変かなと思ってたけどっていう言い方です。not too hard ですから、too hard を否定してるんですね。だから、すごく大変というわけではないっていうね、言い方で、そうでもない。そんな大変じゃないですよっていう言い方です。で、I thought it was going to be ですね。そうであるかというふうに思ってたってことですね。つまり hard 難しい大変っていうふうに思ってたっていう言い方です。そう思ってたけどそうじゃなかったってことですね。で、この it was going to be going to ここはガナになりますね。話し言葉だとガナになるんです。なので I thought it was gonna be っていうふうに言ってますね。もうこういうね、会話のね、表現ね、もうどんどん慣れていってくださいね。それから、京都にね、今はいて、ちょっと東京に観光に来てるってことなんですけど、京都と東京を比べてどうですかみたいなのに対してね、It's a lot cleaner out there って言ってますね。あっちの方がずっと clean だと、綺麗だと、街がですね。っていうふうに言ってます。京都の方が東京と比べるとずっと綺麗、街が綺麗だっていうね、言い方ですけれども、a lot って、これもね、会話でよく使うんですよ。文法的に学校で習ったのは It's much cleaner っていうふうに much を使うっていうふうに習ってると思います。a lot ってね、習った記憶私ないです。でも会話でね much cleaner ってあんまり言わない a lot cleaner の方が一般的なんですね。なので話し言葉と書き言葉ってねやっぱりね違うんですよね。で a lot っていうふうにねこの lot の t はねチっていうふうに破裂しないでキュッと止める感じです。It's a lot cleaner. It's a lot cleaner. Out there. out がここに入ってくるっていうのも会話的ですね。there. It's a lot cleaner there. でもいいんですけども、out が入ってくることで、さらになんか臨場感があります。あっちの方がって感じですね。それからですね、電車がめっちゃ混んでるっていうね、この混んでるっていうのを packed っていうふうに使ってます。Trains are really packed. パックっていうのをこうギュッギュッと押し込むイメージですよね。こうパックね、ギュッギュッギュッギュッっていうふうに、押し込む。つまり押し込められてるっていうことですね。なので、めっちゃ混んでるっていうことです。で、I didn't expect to be that packed っていうふうに言ってますね。こんなに packed だとは expect してなかった。こんなに日本の電車が混むとは思ってもみなかったっていう言い方で that packed この that っていうのも会話でよく使いますね。こんなにっていう感じです。日本語だとこんなにですね。でも英語は this fact ではなくて that fact っていうに that を使います。男の人の方がね、言ってましたね。もともとメキシコ系なのでI'm really missing like eating tacos っていうふうに言ってますね。I'm really missing すごくミス寂しく思ってるってことですよね。何をって言うと eating tacosタコスを食べることを非常に懐かしく感じているってね。タコスが食べたいなって思うってことですよね。やっぱりメキシコ出身だから、日本にずっといると食べ物美味しいけどでもやっぱりタコス食べたいなってすごく思うんですっていうね。I'm really missing っていうね、こういう言い方もね使えるかなと思いますね。じゃあ言語はメキシコ出身ということでスペイン語がネイティブなんですかっていうね、そういう話になった時に I learned Spanish first.But I would say English is my primary language というふうに言ってますね。最初ね、メキシコ生まれなので、最初はスペイン語を 習得したけれども、でも今は英語が私の、第一言語です。primary language っていうふうに言ってますね。ここで、but I would say って言ってますね。but I would say 何々だと思いますっていう言い方するときにこの but I would say ってよく使います。何々かなと思いますっていうときですね。I think と似ています。もう今は英語の方がメインかなっていう言い方ですね。こういうね、I would say とかもね、会話でよく使うのでね、覚えましょうね。で、フランス人のね、お兄さん、ちょっとおしゃれなお兄さんだなと思ったら、flight attendant って言ってましたね。この flight attendant ですね。これね、日本ではね、昔はスチュワーデスって言ってたのに、最近キャビンアテンダントとかっていうようになっちゃったんですね。スチュワーデスの方が良かったと思います。なぜなら、キャビンアテンダントって造語だから。スチュワーデスはスチュワーデスっていう英語がありました。スチュワーデスですね。でももう誰も使わなくなってみんなフライトアテンダントっていうふうに言うようになってるんですよ。で、そのまま日本語でフライトアテンダントって長いでしょ。多分だからフライトをキャビンに変えたんだと思うんですよ。でもね、キャビンアテンダントって言わないです。これは和製英語です。なので、フライトアテンダントで覚えるようにしてくださいね。もうこれね、カタカナ語ってね、結構要注意です。日本語になってるカタカナ語はね、もう最初から疑ってかかった方がいいと思います。あれ英語っぽく発音しても通じないってことがあります。そんな単語が存在しないから。なので、そういうのも気をつけて覚えていくようにしてくださいね。今回もいろんなね、表現が出てきたと思うんですけれどもね、何か質問とかね、ありましたら下のコメント欄にね、どんどん書いていってくださいね。こういう質問をしてほしいとかね、っていうリクエストなんかもね、受け付けておりますのでね、ぜひぜひコメント、感想いただけると嬉しいです。で、チャンネル登録もしていただけると嬉しいです。ではではまた次回お会いしましょう。See you!